I'm Steve from This Week in Cars, and today I'm going to dyno this 2016 Shelby GT350 that has been upgraded with the 2019 Shelby GT350 software. The new tune is supposed to eliminate some of the dips that we have seen on these cars. Let's see if the software changed anything. Okay, let's take a look at the results. You can see here there's a bunch of squiggly lines in the dyno graph. Believe it or not, that's less than what there was before. Bring up one of the new runs with the new tune. Bring up one of the runs with the old tune. You can see above 6,000 RPM it took this dip out. That means that you're not going to make more power overall, but you're going to make more power for longer, and that'll be great on a racetrack.